Have you ever heard of the dodo bird? No, it's not a character from a children's book, but a real bird that once roamed the earth. This remarkable creature originated from the island of Mauritius, situated in the Indian Ocean, far from any mainland. Its unique features set it apart from other birds. The dodo was a large flightless bird with a stout body and a distinctive hooked beak. In the late 16th century, Dutch sailors stumbled upon the isolated island and discovered the dodo. With no natural predators and an abundance of food, the dodo had never needed to fly. This, however, made it an easy target for hunters. The dodo, with its inability to fly and lack of fear towards humans, was hunted relentlessly for food and sport. Sadly, by the end of the 17th century, the dodo bird was driven into extinction, primarily due to human activities. You might be wondering, how did such a unique bird go extinct? Well, the story of the dodo's extinction is a sad tale of human interference. The dodo bird, native to the island of Mauritius, lived a peaceful life with no natural predators. That is, until the late 16th century, when humans arrived with a slew of invasive species in tow. The dodo, being a flightless bird, was an easy target for hunters. Its inability to fly, coupled with its lack of fear towards humans, made it a sitting duck, quite literally. But hunting wasn't the only threat. The invasive species brought by humans, like rats and pigs, quickly turned from uninvited guests to destructive invaders. They not only competed with the dodo for food, but also preyed on their eggs. Add to this, the destruction of the bird's natural habitat due to human activities, and the dodo's fate was sealed. Despite its adaptation to the island's unique ecosystem over millions of years, the dodo couldn't withstand the sudden onslaught of threats. In less than a century after its discovery, the dodo bird was no more, leaving us with only paintings and stories. The story doesn't end there. Scientists are now working on an ambitious project to bring the dodo back from extinction. This endeavor of de-extinction is a fascinating fusion of genetics and conservation. The process starts with sequencing the dodo genome, like reading an ancient script, to understand its unique traits. But it's not just about understanding the dodo's genetic makeup. The next step involves a bit of genetic wizardry. Scientists are editing the primordial germ cells of the Nicobar pigeon, a distant relative of the dodo, to express dodo traits. In essence, they're creating a biological blueprint for a bird that hasn't existed for centuries. Yet, the challenge doesn't stop at the genetic level. To bring the dodo back to life, scientists are employing interspecies surrogates for reproduction. This is as complex as it sounds and faces its own set of obstacles. Then there's the question of habitat restoration. The dodo once thrived in the unique ecosystem of Mauritius, but can it do so again? That's another intricate puzzle piece in this grand project. With the aim of restoring the ecosystem, inspiring conservation optimism, and addressing human-caused extinction, the dodo may soon return to the earth. In the short span of our video, we've traveled through centuries. We've explored the unique history of the dodo bird, a species that once flourished in the wilds of Mauritius, but found itself pushed to extinction by human activities. We've also delved into the scientific endeavors to bring this iconic creature back from the annals of history. Through genetic sequencing and interspecies surrogates, we are witnessing an unprecedented chapter of de-extinction. The dodo's tale serves as a stark reminder of our impact on the world's biodiversity. As we look forward to the dodo's return, let's also remember our responsibility towards our co-inhabitants on this planet.